Hello everyone. This is what I meant by looking like Lord Farquaad yesterday. Anyway, I've been trying to motivate myself to go for a run since last night. Thing is, I've been going for quite a lot of runs lately until I made my 10k goal, and then I stopped, which was like 2 weeks ago. So I haven't been for a run. Also, it's been raining a lot, and that's my excuse. So yeah. This morning it's not raining, it's actually quite nice and blue outside, so I just thought, better move your butt, girl. So I'm just gonna get ready and go for a run. Yay. I don't use makeup when I go for runs, but I would use some moisturising cream with SPF in it, so I'm using that one. It has only SPF 15, but it's better than nothing, basically. Okay, so I went for my run. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go for a quick run, and then I saw that run on the Nike app, which is the app that I use for running. Like, I use all the guided apps, the guided runs. Sorry. So I saw that run, which was like a 4-mile run, and it was like, on the description it was like under 5 miles, over 5k, why not try it? So I was like, okay, why not, sounds good. And then I went for it. Halfway there I was just like, oh my god, my stomach hurts again. But I still did it. It took me 47 minutes, which is quite a lot, but I did it. I felt great at the end, so that was the most important thing, I guess. But yeah, I actually got quite a lot of things to do today. So I need to make some sushi. I need to prep the gingerbread cookie dough, because Cam asked me if I could make some for his colleagues at work before, because he finishes working on Friday, so he asked me if I could make some for that day. So I need to prep the dough to make them tomorrow and decorate them tomorrow so that he can take them on Friday. So I've got gingerbread meant to make, and I've got just like simple sugar cookies. I wanted to make some macaron, but I just thought it would take ages and I can't be bothered. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's like 3 things that I need to do. I also like need to learn how to make gluten-free ladyfingers type of things, biscuits, because I need to make a gluten-free tiramisu, and that's going to be interesting. Yeah. So we've got a work meeting today. It's more like a Christmas catch-up, see how everybody is type of thing. I'm just gonna get ready for it, put some makeup on, looks pretty, and yeah, try to fix my hair because I look like Lord Farquaad. Peace. So here are my sushi, all wrapped up. I'm just gonna leave them in the fridge now, and then I'm gonna cut them just before eating them. So sushis are done. Now I'm gonna prep the gingerbread dough, and then in an hour I've got my meeting at work. Ginger dough is ready to go in the fridge, and I just have stuff everywhere. It was just a mess. My electric whisk just broke, I think. So that's cool. I need one for Christmas. Okay, so here are the sushi cuts. So I'm doing that now. There you go. Really pretty. I love it. Anyway, had the meeting. And yeah, Cam is coming back soon, so that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys liked today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and don't forget to like the video if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.